This is another unknown challenge lock that Lock Junkie sent me. It looks like there's an SC scraped into it, maybe an old symbol, and it looks like this used to either be blue or purple, but I can't tell you what the name is. So to try to get into it, I'm actually going to use bottom of the keyway and the Moki Slim Standard. Try not to get my thumb too much in the way. So nothing on one, maybe something out of two, nothing on three, four, maybe a click out of five. One, two, and I got a little core movement. Three, four, and it opened. Everything in this thing is really low set, and if you try to raise it too high, it just oversets automatically. It's not a hard one, but if you don't know what, if you don't have experience with the locker, if you haven't tried it out, it's really easy to overset every pin.